Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. And today I'm doing a diptych on two 14 by 14 inch level 3 gallery wrapped canvases available at Michael's. I really love the 14 by 14 inch size. I have sprayed some water and stretched them out in the back so my paint doesn't pool in the center. And I will be doing swipes on these. I was inspired by Molly Artistry. I took her swipe course and it is absolutely amazing. I'll talk to y'all in a minute about that. But here is my base paint. This is Amsterdam Payne's Gray, and the Amsterdam Payne's Gray is a lot more like dark gray blackish compared to other brands that have Payne's Gray. And here I am using Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. And there's my consistency. My consistency is the same for all of the paints, including the base paint. And here is Golden Interference Blue. I love the Golden Interference paints. I feel like they're a little better than the Amsterdam Pearl paints. And the Pearl paints are basically interference paints. And this is Amsterdam Pearl Green. And all of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and golden gloss color pouring medium. And I am using Art Titanium White and Amsterdam Silver as my cell activator. And these are my palette knives that I will be using to swipe with. So I will lay my cell activator on these palette knives, and I'm just going to do two simple swipes. I just wanted to keep this very simple. Next, I will pour my base paint. As I was mentioning before, I highly recommend Molly's course. It is amazing if you don't want to use house paint as your base for swipes. She goes into great detail about her pouring medium. She also has a bonus section where she explains how to get cells from other mediums such as oil or treadmill oil or coconut oil. So highly recommend that course. If you want to save $20, you can use my coupon code AMBER20. I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the process, and I will be back with the wet results. Y'all, here are the wet results of my swipes. I'm overall happy. I could have tilted it a little better. But overall, this does have a good flow. It kind of looks like, you know, water, a dark ocean. So yeah, overall, I'm really pleased. And they dried really well also. So again, guys, if you want to learn this, definitely sign up for Molly's course at smartartcourses.com, and you can save $20 by using my code AMBER20. But just look at the color shift from the interference paints, the golden and Amsterdam, and they're going to be more prominent once they dry. And let's go to the dried results. So this is not varnished yet, and just look at how you can see the golden interference blue and the Amsterdam pearl. It made a really cool painting. So yeah, I did do some diamond dust on the sides of this, which I will share with y'all next. And y'all, here is the varnish results and the diamond dust that I added around the edges of my swipes. Overall, I'm happy with the piece, with the diptych. I like the lacing that I got from the white cell activator. Can't really see the silver one, but overall, I'm happy. And again, y'all can learn this by signing up for Molly Artistry's swipe course. I will have the link down below in the description box, and save $20 by using my code AMBER20. I really like the color shift from golden interference blue and Amsterdam pearl green, and they just look really pretty with Amsterdam turquoise. Again, I will have everything, all the materials that I use listed down below in the description box. And guys, as always, stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome, guys. Bye.